I'm going to show you now how to cut videos and move them around. Alright, as soon as you've got the app Premiere Rush open, you're going to go to the bottom middle and tap on Add Media, or if you don't have your media already recorded, tap Take Video or Photo. So I already have my media in a folder over here. So these are videos of my dog. So first of all, we're going to have to look at the unnecessary parts. Right, so we can cut off a little bit there. We can just stretch out the clips. Right, so on the left hand corner at the top of the buttons, or the bottom left corner, we can see the scissors. Tap the scissors, which means you split the video in half. Then go to the part that you want to cut out till. Then tap the scissors again. Then select the middle clip, which you're not going to be using, and just two under the scissors, tap on the bin. That would cut the clip. Alright, so now it goes there. Alright, so now then fast forward to there. Okay. Right, so we don't need this part of him walking, of my dog walking across, so we can just cut it again there with the scissors and select and then chop it out. Right, and then we also will not need this end part. Because he's a little bit further away there, right, we're going to have to zoom in. So you're going to select on the video so that all the dots come around on the edge. Then you're going to zoom in, right, and you can move it across, make it smaller, crop it with those dots. I'm pretty sure you've seen them before, right? Alright, so now that we've got everything edited and how the clips, like how if we add the unnecessary parts we don't need, right? Then, so the first step of the first section is cut the videos, and we've done that. Now we're going to have to move them around. Okay, so all you have to do to move something around is tap and hold, and then drag your finger to anywhere on the screen of your project where you would like it. So you can mix it up, do it any way you really want. I think I'm going to stick with it like this way.